A local journalist's legal fight over access to police drone footage may finally be over. That case involved years of litigation before reaching a resolution. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto. CBS 8's Esmeralda Perez joins us in studio with a breakdown of the outcome in this case that a lot of people are very interested in. Esmeralda?
Well, that's right, Carlo. It all started as a simple request to view drone videos captured by the Chula Vista Police Department that turned into a nearly 4-year legal battle that could shape transparency among California law enforcement agencies. A years-long legal fight over access to police drone footage has concluded. Art Castañares is a publisher for La Prensa San Diego newspaper. 4 years ago, he requested videos from March 2021. Under the California Public Records Act, he says the city denied his request.
And they denied my request. And so I filed the lawsuit, and it's taken 4 years, and we finally gotten to the end of it.
That denial was the catalyst for several hearings under the Superior, Appellate, and California Supreme Courts. Now, a judge has ruled that about 25 drone videos must be released with certain redactions. Art says that at the time, Chula Vista PD was the only police agency in the country authorized by the FAA to fly drones as first responders. This lawsuit has helped establish a new process for review of how police agencies have to categorize and release some of the records to the public. The ruling comes as more law enforcement agencies across the state incorporate drones into their operations, including Oceanside, which recently approved a police drone pilot program.
The decision that was made in this case applies statewide because we won on the appellate level, and then it was appealed by the city to the California Supreme Court, which upheld the ruling. So the decision applies not only to Chula Vista, but to every police agency in the state, and not only to drone videos, but to all kinds of what are called investigative records.
This long-standing lawsuit has racked up legal fees, which Art tells CBS 8 that under the California Public Records Act, the prevailing party gets their legal fees paid back by the losing party, which in this case, the city of Chula Vista could be paying the bill. Last week, the city told CBS 8 that they're evaluating the recent ruling as well as its options and will refrain from further comment at this time.
These are important cases, though. If it wasn't for these types of cases, there's a lot of information that the public would never get, would never be released. So I'm not the only journalist that does this, but we do this a lot when public agencies fail to live up to the standard of transparency that's required under the law.
And last year, CBS 8 submitted a public records request for the total number of drone flights from January 2022 through February 2024. Those numbers show that the department dispatched drones nearly 9,000 times over that period. Carlo.
It's a lot of launches. Now, this has been a long legal process you mentioned. Does the city have any more options here, or is this it? Is it over?
Well, Art is waiting to see if the city will petition the appellate court. The deadline to do that is coming up in a few weeks.
All right, Esmeralda Perez, thanks.